Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. Today I have not this theme of gingerbread DIYs. If you want that theme, I will leave the link below. That was my last video. But today I have a more elegant Winter Wonderland Christmas DIY video for you. I don't have a Winter Wonderland tree to sit in front of because I have gingerbread theme going on here, but I did do a bunch of Winter Wonderland themed DIYs that are just more like elegant and glam, and they are so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot of them, or at least half of them I would say, I brought to my sister's house. So I will leave the link for that video as well, where we decorated her house with more of that like white and silver Winter Wonderland decor. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started.
So getting started with the first one, I am taking a wooden snowflake off of this set of 4 from Dollar Tree, and we're going to paint it using some puffy paint. So I kind of alternated using a white puffy paint and then this other one that it looks white, but it dries to more of a transparent, translucent, glittery white. It's not quite as solid as the other one, but I thought it would be interesting to just kind of switch them up and alternate the colors in here. And once that's all dry, I'm taking this little deer ornament that I got a couple years ago from Dollar General, and we're just gonna kind of dress him up a little bit, adding a little piece of sparkly greenery around his neck. And I also cut some silver glitter branches to add up with his antlers on top, and another little piece of greenery in between, kind of like his forelock. I mean, horses have forelock. I actually don't think a reindeer does, but it looked really cute to add into the middle, and I just feel like it just jazzes up this whole piece. I glued the reindeer right into the middle of that snowflake, and I think this makes a beautiful ornament just like this. But I decided to take it a step further once I found this wooden sign in Dollar Tree, which, first of all, I think this is a really great deal for $1.25. It's super cute and reminds me of things that I have seen in Walmart for more money. So I do really like this piece. I'm going to glue the whole snowflake and reindeer right into the center of it. And I feel like this is the perfect rustic glam piece of Christmas or even just winter decor. Moving on for the next one, I actually found this cobblestone piece. It's kind of like felt lined on the back, and I found this in Dollar Tree this year where they have all the little village houses, and I thought this is, first of all, a super cute accessory if you are doing a Christmas village. But I am taking one of these little wooden pencil holders and wrapping it, and I think it's the perfect fit. First of all, it's like exactly the same height, so it wraps around really nicely. I just glued that on there. But if you don't have the wooden pencil holders, Dollar Tree does have lots of glass vases. We're going to put some hot glue, a good amount of it, down inside, and then stick one of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees down in there. So I'm going to add in, since these are so sparse, some sparkly ribbon and fill in the tree a little bit. And then also I have 3 floral picks that from Dollar Tree. They're kind of like a silvery gold color. I just cut them all and actually hot glued the ends of them kind of in on the stem of the tree. It really filled it in and gave it a lot more branches and definitely added a little bit of glam to this tree. I feel like it looks very elegant, and I just kind of stuck these in and placed them where I wanted them, just a few small pine cones here. So whatever you prefer, but this turned out really cool and kind of reminds me of something that I would have found in Home Goods, and I love the look of it. Let's go ahead and move on. The next one is a sleigh or sled ornament. I'm taking one of these from Dollar Tree and painting it over with some kind of cinnamon colored paint here. And once that's totally dry, I found these beautiful silver gemstone stickers in Dollar Tree, and it's like a whole long piece. So I love that because you can just pull the whole thing off and use it to decorate really anything. You could wrap it around something. So I'm just cutting a piece long enough to kind of go down the center of the sled. and I think this added a really cool touch. So you've got what looks like a wood sled with this beautiful like gemstones down the middle here. I feel like it looks very wintry to me. Now I have a little bit of yarn here, and I'm just going to tie 2 silver bells on here, and then also add some greenery and a silver bow up at the top just to kind of finish off the look. And this is such a beautiful rustic, elegant, rustic glam Christmas ornament. It would also make a really cute little like gift topper idea that someone could then take and hang on their Christmas tree after. It would be really cute to attach on a gift, I think. The next one is super easy. I just took a white ornament from Dollar Tree. This one came in a pack of 2, and I just wrapped that rhinestone ribbon sticker all the way around the ornament, and that's it. And I honestly feel like this looks, I don't know, it looks a lot more detailed and a lot more high-end than what it actually cost in time or money to make this. Another idea for a kind of simple ornament would be taking the little silver rhinestone pieces here. I just cut off a strip of them and went around with the different pieces from top to bottom and just kind of wrapped it. You can add in as many rows of them as you want. So another one that's going to go so nicely with a winter wonderland theme is to take a clear ornament from Dollar Tree and fill it with some sparkly mesh ribbon. And I love adding the Dollar Tree deco mesh in here. It's just so sparkly, and it fills it up so beautifully. And then of course we've got to add a little decorative piece up at the top of the ornament, just using some scraps of greenery, and I use some of these white glitter vase filler balls. They're just little styrofoam pieces, and just hot glue them on there. You can add a ribbon, you can add bells, you can add a bow, whatever you like. Really easy. These are so fun to make, and they're just easy to customize. For the next one, I have one of these little black paper, kind of like a little chalkboard sign. I think these came like 4 or 6 in a pack from Dollar Tree. So they are just a flat little piece of paper, really easy to customize. I did 2 of these for the dogs last year with their names and decorated them, and that was kind of fun. But I'm taking some white puffy paint and spelling out Silent Night, and then adding some little kind of stars or sparkles on here out of the puffy paint, and then adding some glitter on top of those, and that's it. This is done. It was so simple, but it's really kind of a little bit fun, a little bit sparkly, and of course it's a great way to add any kind of wording or message, or scripture verse, anything like that. Another fun, easy, somewhat elegant ornament idea is taking one of these teardrop shape ornament, dry brushing some white chalk paint kind of from the top part of the ornament where the hanger is. This looks like a light bulb. I always want to call it like a light bulb. And brushing it about halfway down. Sprinkle on some glitter, and really fun, pretty, whimsical, somewhat glam idea. And of course, you could use any paint color that'll, fit with your theme and Christmas decor. Moving on to the next one, I love how this one turned out. It was so easy to do, and it looks really super unique. So I cannot wait to share this one with you. I'm taking a large ornament from Dollar Tree, along with, I have some gold Christmas floral pieces. So I think that these might be from maybe Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. I don't think that these gold leaves are actually from Dollar Tree, but cut out the leaves here, the little branch pieces, and glued them kind of curving different ways around the ornament. And just the combination of the white and the gold glitter, I think this looks amazing. I absolutely love it. This is definitely one of my favorites in this video. For the next one, I had this wooden ornament piece, and it's actually a pretty large ornament sign from Dollar Tree, which I painted over with white chalk paint. And I did it with kind of like a dry, harder brush. So the brush actually left like textured, like the stroke texture in the paint, and I thought that turned out pretty cool. I had these stickers from Dollar Tree that I loved. I thought they were so fun and so pretty. If you are decorating with a little bit more of an eclectic look for Christmas and going a little more contemporary, the pinks, the purples, the blues, I just think this is a really cool piece of decor. And if you have a large tree, you could definitely stick this as an ornament into the tree. Add some eucalyptus leaves, glue on a few small ornaments, and if you want to, you could even add some letters. I decided to actually just decorate this little letter K for my youngest daughter, who has a lot of pink in her room for Christmas, and I think she's gonna love this sign. I used purple puffy paint and then covered it in glitter, and I think the color looks really cool. So you can just tie that on, glue that on, add it anywhere you'd like. If you want to add letters, words, or just leave it with the ornaments and the greenery.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing before you go. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you. And as always, wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.